U.S. Supreme Court has handed down its decision in a case involving a mid-state man.
Joseph Fisher was a police officer in Lebanon County, and he was there January 6th. Evan Papalis is here to explain the case. Evan.
Alicia, Valerie, Fisher, among others, were inside the Capitol on January 6th. And with all eyes on this case, with his name on it, the Lebanon County man snuck out a victory.
It's very gratifying to have this kind of victory in that court against the United States government.
Joseph Fisher versus the United States.
The law in question is the Sarbanes-Oxley law, and it was designed to prevent the destruction of materials.
The Supreme Court ruling in favor of the Lebanon County man and former police officer for actions in the January 6th riot by way of a 6-3 vote.
What the court found in the end was that because Fisher is not proven to have, or was not proven to have destroyed any documents or evidence, that it needs to go back. I'm not surprised at the decision.
Which could help hundreds of others facing the same criminal charge.
The biggest burden for the D.C. courts is they're going to have to resentence dozens and dozens of defendants who were rung up on this charge.
I'm really happy for the other defendants who will have an opportunity to have this charge dismissed and remove this 20-year sort of Damocles from over their head.
Jeff Green represented Mr. Fisher in front of the Supreme Court. He says going to the nation's highest court typically doesn't end in celebration.
I've been doing this for a lot of years, and we don't have very many victories.
Another man facing that same charge, former President Donald Trump. Former U.S. District Judge John Jones says he doesn't think this case aids the 45th president in becoming the 47th.
I don't think it gives him any particular traction to speak of it.
The decision having a permanent spot in history.
It will have a forever impact.
And Fisher still has 6 other charges from that day. The status of those charges won't change because of the Supreme Court's decision in this one. Reporting live, Evan Papalis, ABC 27 News.